Well, it's day 2. We're not too farther back. Got the gates open. We're second last in line, but not for long because it's gonna line up out there. And yeah, so we got here a little earlier, and we're just a little bit farther back. We actually beat the gate guys here. So anyway, get to it. Waiting. We're moving! What time is it? It is 6:14. So we got here at what? 4:50. 6:15. What is that? Hour and a half-ish. But not bad. So here we go. Hopefully we still get a good spot. Starting to roll in. Yeah, we were just right under those trees right there yesterday. This big open field will all be filled with cars. Still got a spot here for somebody. Something cool, I hope. But they're all cool. Yeah, this is all gonna get filled up today because Saturday is the busy one. So along with the car show, we got a pretty sweet swap meet. I couldn't resist. Mark's helping me. Dang it, Mark! Hey. But I got these. Hopefully I can use them on the 54. If not, they're just cool. Ran when parked. Just taking my wheel out for a walk. Come on, boy. Come on, back to the truck. So I wanted to bring my project truck to the car show, but all that was done was the wheels. So I'm rolling these in there. One of the great things about the Goodguys show, they always got plenty of parking. They even put dumpsters in the parking lot for you. only giving you a taste of what's here. There's over 1,000 cars here, and I don't have time to film them all. I wish I could. But yeah, if you ever check it out, Colorado Nationals, first weekend in September. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.